How to stop Spotify from opening on startup. Method 1. Stop Spotify from opening on startup in App Settings. Open Spotify. Click the three-dot menu button at the top left corner of the window, select Edit, and click Preferences. Scroll down to the Startup and Window Behavior section. Open the drop-down menu next to Open Spotify automatically after you log into the computer and click No. Method 2. Stop Spotify from opening in Windows Task Manager. Hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, select the Startup section. In the Startup section, find Spotify. Right-click Spotify, and click Disable. Method 3. Stop Spotify from opening in Windows Startup Apps Settings. Right-click the Windows Start menu button, and select Settings. Click Apps in the left pane, and select Startup. In the Startup Apps section, find Spotify, and toggle off the slider next to it. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.